Hi Parikshet,
Uh,
what are we going to do today?
Today we are going to draw a, a boy making a sandwich.
Yeah. And what is this? What are we doing?
Yeah,
This
drawing.
is this is the part of
The 100 days drawing challenge.
6 minutes. Sit properly.
6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge.
Okay. And
You don't know episode number?
episode number?
Take your book.
It's episode number 31.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get started with the 6 minutes 100 days
Days
drawing
drawing challenge.
Okay. So we're gonna draw a kid, basically Parikshet, playing on the beach, making some sandcastles. Yeah. Okay. Let's get started. What do we start with? Let us
Start with
start
the
the
face.
face,
The eyes.
the eyes. Okay, as you say, Parikshet. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now the ears and the hairs. That's the kid's face. Are you done? Let's make the body.
Eraser.
Hmm?
And eraser.
That's the kid's body and the castle. What does the castle look like? Mm-hmm. Hmm? Okay. You are left. I am left with making the hand. And yet another one. Cool. Now that our castle is done,
Well, mine's not.
what are you doing? This looks beautiful. Show me yours. Show us yours. People can't see yours if you keep it like that.
His sandcastle is getting washed away.
Show us. Okay, guys. So we are done with this drawing. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and add your comments below so that we know what you want us to draw next. And also, if you comment right now at the bottom, what we do is we feature you in the next video of ours. Do you want to get featured? If yes, then hit the comment button below and add something that you'd like to say to us. Have a good day. Bye bye.